In our quest to learn about arrays, in this video we're concentrating on understanding about frequency. In order to calculate frequency of a set of numbers, you will have or you may require to have a range within which you want to calculate the frequency. By this what I mean is we have a set of numbers over here which are like random numbers, okay, hypothetical numbers. They have no logic. I've just put them. And we need to find the numbers, let's say, that fall within a range. I want to find numbers which are in the range of, let's say, 0 to 25, 26 to 50, 51 to 75, and so on. Okay, so what I need to now specify first when you want to find out the frequency is the bin group. So what I'm now putting is going to be the bin group. The bin groups are going to be 0 to 25. Then it would be 26 to 50, 51 to 75, and 76 to 100. Okay, so we have a bin group now specified. Okay, and it is very important that when you're making use of frequency, you need to calculate the bin groups. This was the bin group, and also find out the upper limit of the bin groups. Okay, so the upper limit of this bin group is going to be 25. For this it will be 50. The upper limit is 75, and the upper limit for 76 to 100 will be 100. Right? This is the lower limit on the left hand side, or on the right hand side what you see is the upper limit. So it is important that you want to find out the frequency. For that you need the bin groups and their upper limits. Okay, now the place where you want to find the frequency, you need to select those cells, hit F2 on your keyboard, press is equal to frequency, and what you require is the data array. Data array is your entire set of number set wherein you want to find the frequency. So once you have selected that, what you need to do next is specify the bin array. The bin array is basically this that we found out, the upper limits of our bin group. This is the bin array. Close the bracket. Remember, we do not hit enter but Control Shift and enter. As soon as you do that, we have the frequency directly calculated over here with the help of the frequency formula. Let's check if this has come out to be right. For the numbers between 0 to 25, there are 6 numbers. So let's find out if there are actually 6 numbers. 0 to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Rightly so, we have perfect 6 numbers for these specific numbers. Similarly, if you were to check for 26 to 50, you would find that there are 4 numbers. So you need not calculate the frequency. You can use the formula and you can directly get the number. The only thing that you need to do is define the bin group and the upper limit. Fine. So this was about the frequency. Now let's try and delete one of these. If you hit delete, you get an error. You get a warning that you can't change part of an array. So something which is a part of an array, you cannot delete it. Also, if you try and insert a row, you'll find that you get the same array. Because this is a part of an array, you cannot edit the array. So that is one thing that you need to remember. Then you're working with your arrays, you cannot delete them, but if you want to delete them together, you can hit delete and the entire group goes away. So that would be fine, but individually you won't be able to delete it. Okay, so this was about the array section. Let's move on to the next section now.